Hi there, my name is Konstantin, and I'm the head of Saipem's Innovation Factory. In a nutshell, here we explore unchartered territories of disruptive ideas, technologies, and business models. Whenever we find something really interesting, we run agile proof of concepts, and for those which turn out to be successful, we facilitate a so-called infiltration into our businesses. Yet our distinctive feature is extensive involvement of Saipem personnel into this process. By now, over 200 colleagues with different professional backgrounds, age, nationality, gender have worked on our POCs. All of them had an amazing chance to develop professionally and personally, go out of comfort zone, and eventually find ingenious solutions to Saipem critical business challenges. As a matter of fact, before heading up at the Innovation Factory, I was an innovator myself, and it was a great experience. Of course, we do not pretend to innovate relying only on internal resources. At the Innovation Factory, we enable our collaboration between Saipem and external ecosystems such as startups, academia, supply chain. This is so-called open innovation, which is becoming increasingly important in our sector. In conclusion, I would like to invite all interested individuals and organizations not to hesitate to get in touch with us and explore together how we can create value for Saipem and our stakeholders. Ciao.